Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn what is the Postman and how to download, install and how to access our GET request. Okay, let's download. First of all, download the Postman. Download Postman. Okay, I will go here. You can see that www.postman.com. I will go here. You will get here the option Windows 64-bit. I will download here. Click here download. And let it be download. It's around 163 MB. It will take few minutes. Let me pause the. Okay, you can see that it has been downloaded here. Postman. Let me click. I will click here. Double click. It's being processed. Okay, it has been installed. It has been installed. Let me create new request. I will create here. I will click here. Create a basic request. Okay, if you want to create a collection, you can create. If you want to give the request name, you can give. Otherwise, let's click on the cancel button. You can see the untitled request and many request. Here you have tab. Okay, this tab, how it depends up to you how many requests you want to call. Let me call first request, that's the get request. This is the call. Let me click here and I will call the get request. You can why this might happen, because we are calling HTTPS and it's SSL certificate, required SSL certificate, and it's local base. That's why it's calling this, because of we are calling HTTPS with local and without certificate we are using on HTTPS. That's why we are getting this issue. For resolve this issue, let's click on the setting button, setting, and here you have to uncheck. Okay, disable SSL certificate verification. We have to disable it. Okay, let's close it. Again call. Okay, you can see that we have called a first request with get method. In the body section, you can see that we have got the data in the formatted way. You can saw that raw way, preview, visual is not available for the JSON. That's why we will use pretty means it's looking good. And in the request you can see that there are many verb method like get, post, put, paste, delete, many things. We will see get and post. Mostly we use get and post. And this is the URL. Whatever URL you can pass here. If you want to pass the param, anything you can pass here, param 22. You can see that param also being captured here. Authorized section, header, body, pre-request, many things available here. You can pass everything and you can test your API. In the next video we will use our get, post, put, all API, and we will test all the API in this section. Thank you.